Most people are stuck in a 9 to 5, trading their hours for more dollars. You wake up, you clock in, and you grind. And at the end of the month, your paycheck is already gone. But here's the truth. There's a new business model, one that pays you like rent every single month. One that doesn't require investors, learning how to write a single line of code, or building some complicated app. I call it digital rent. In this video, I'm going to show you the exact 3-step blueprint that I took to go from warehouse shifts and $50,000 worth of credit card debt from buying courses and coaching programs trying to figure out how to make money online to over 10,000 plus in recurring SaaS income. And if you stay until the end of this video, I'll give you my full step-by-step training on how you can start off with this online leveraged SaaS business model, and you can start completely for free today. A few years ago, I was in the same exact spot as you are in right now. I hated my job. I was exhausted every single day. And to make it even worse, I had over $50,000 worth of credit card debt. I tried every single side hustle out there, from Amazon FBA, eBay dropshipping, Shopify one-product stores, and even starting a social media marketing company, which has worked just a little bit, but you name it, I've tried them all. And at the end of the day, they've all resulted in zero, nothing, just more late nights, more wasted money, and zero freedom still. And then I stumbled onto SaaS, software as a service. But here's the twist. I didn't build it out. I didn't hire investors. I didn't hire a huge developer team or have to raise upwards of 100,000, 6 figures worth to build a complicated app. I just cloned proven software business. In fact, I launched this SaaS business in just one weekend. And within 4 weeks, I was able to get upwards of 20,000 plus in recurring subscriptions. That's crazy because all of these other online business models just didn't work. But for whatever reason, I was able to crack down on the SaaS business model. Within 4 weeks, 20,000 plus per month. That's when I realized that this wasn't just another side hustle. This was a true system that anyone with a Wi-Fi, a laptop, and the willingness to learn can actually learn this system. Let me break down the exact blueprint in 3 steps. Step 1, clone. You don't reinvent the wheel. There are already SaaS systems proven to work, tools and systems that businesses are already paying for. With Go High Level, you can white label and instantly launch your SaaS product under your own brand. No headaches, no coding, just cloning. Step 2, collect. Here's the magic. You're not convincing people to buy something new. You're targeting niches that already pay for software. For example, contractors, med spas, realtors, all these different types of local businesses, they're already paying for software, anywhere from $200 to 2,000 plus per month. All you're doing is you're giving them a better system under your own brand. Step 3 is automate. This is where digital rent becomes real. Once you actually onboard a client, AI and automation handles everything else for you in the back end. The CRM follows up with their leads, the billing system charges their card, and the platform itself delivers the service. You don't need to babysit clients or trade hours. The system runs on autopilot by itself. That's the digital rent system. Clone, collect, and automate. You just set it up and build it up one time, and you can start collecting recurring subscriptions to people who subscribe to your platform. This is my dashboard. In just 4 weeks, 20,000 plus in recurring subscriptions. You can see different payments anywhere from $300 to $2,000, $1,600, few $100 payments every single month that these guys are making because they're subscribed to my white labeled Go High Level platform so that it could help them grow their very own business. And the crazy part, that's recurring. Every single month, these clients are getting billed automatically. Think about it. One client at $299 per month is pretty cool. But you get 10 clients at $299 per month each, that's $3,000 plus per month. Or 20 clients at $6,000 per month. You see, the system doesn't care if it's 10 or 100 clients. That's the compounding effect of digital rent. This isn't just about me. People all over the world are quitting their 9 to 5 to start digital rent businesses. It's not a hustle, it's not a trend, it's a movement. Ask yourself this: what would your life look like 90 days from now if you had an extra 3,000, 5,000, or 10,000 plus in recurring subscriptions happening on autopilot. The only difference between me and you is that a few years ago, I decided to start. So here's what to do next. Hit subscribe down below so you don't miss the rest of this digital rent series in this YouTube channel. I'm going to constantly upload YouTube videos in this channel showing you how to start an online SaaS leverage business model. And if you're serious about quitting your 9-to-5 and escaping the rat race, I've built a full step-by-step clone and collect SaaS starter course completely for free down below in the description. Why is it for free? Because I've seen what's out there. I've paid $50,000 plus in credit card debt, paying for coaches, courses, coaching programs, trying to figure out how to make money online. And I just want to do you some goodwill. Go ahead and make sure you click down below, watch the exact step-by-step free training, and I'll show you exactly how to start up with this online business model. Once you click the link down below inside of the description, inside, you'll learn how to clone the exact system, collect recurring clients, and automate your income so you can finally collect digital rent every single month. This is just the beginning. This is the digital rent movement.